Hello, in this video I will show you how you can perform hard reset by using recovery mode on OnePlus Nord 5. So you have to hold power button and volume up button and just simply power off your phone. Now you have to hold power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds. Hold it together and just wait for entering to recovery mode. As you can see, I am now in the recovery mode, but I have this Chinese language. So let me go back, and here is the English. Okay, so you can go to format data, and now you have to enter verification code. You just simply have to enter it, 3339. And as you can see, all user data will be reset, so you just simply have to click format. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.